Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're tackling a super practical topic: how to transfer TRX from Coinbase to KuCoin in 2025. If you're into crypto, you know that moving assets between exchanges is a key skill for trading, staking, or just diversifying your portfolio. TRX, the native token of the Tron blockchain, is popular for its low fees and speed, so let's get you set up to transfer it seamlessly. First things first, before we dive in, make sure you have a few basics covered. You'll need verified accounts on both Coinbase and KuCoin, some TRX in your Coinbase wallet, and a good understanding of crypto security. Always double-check your wallet addresses to avoid costly mistakes. Oh, and remember, crypto prices can be volatile, so time your transfer wisely. Let's break it down step by step. Start by logging into your Coinbase account. Head over to your dashboard, find the Assets or Wallets section, and select TRX from your list of holdings. Once you're there, click on the Withdraw button. Coinbase might prompt you to choose a network. In 2025, TRX typically uses the Tron network, so select that to ensure compatibility. Next, enter the withdrawal amount. Be mindful of any minimum limits and network fees, which could be around 1 to 5% depending on market conditions. Now, paste in your KuCoin TRX wallet address. You can find this by logging into KuCoin, going to your wallet, and selecting the deposit option for TRX. Copy the address carefully, double-check for any typos. After confirming the details, Coinbase will process your withdrawal. This usually takes a few minutes to an hour, but it can vary based on network congestion. Once it's done, hop back to KuCoin and check your wallet. You should see your TRX deposited and ready to use. A quick word of advice: always enable two-factor authentication on both platforms to protect your funds. Also, keep an eye on gas fees or network updates, as crypto tech evolves rapidly. By 2025, there might be even faster options like Layer 2 solutions, but for now, this method is reliable. There you have it. Transferring TRX from Coinbase to KuCoin is straightforward once you know the steps. If this helped, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more crypto tips, and drop a comment if you have questions. Stay safe out there and happy trading.